I will take another color. Okay. Suppose this is the billet which you are going to cut and you are going to produce these red dimensions, whatever is written there in the red dimension. Now, what you are supposed to do, you are going to select different tools, different machine tools, different cutters or single point cutting tool or drill, then boring tool, then reamer. If I apply here, suppose threads, suppose I apply here threads, outer threads. If I go for some outer threads here, like this, if there are threads, okay. So these threads will you will need some threading tool and like that. Okay. So in every step you have to control dimension. In every step you have to control dimension. And if you want to control dimension, you have to select suitable dimensional measuring devices. Okay. So metrology is what it is, a science where you are going to measure dimensions only, measure physical dimension. Okay, so now these dimensions in our term can be linear or they can be angular. Okay, so either you are going to measure some dimensions which might be linear, which might be what you can say, angular. Okay, suppose this, if you carefully see this, there might be some countersunk, here there might be some countersunk, here there might be some billet, क्या बोलते हैं आप इसको? I do not recall now. Here there is a slight curve is there. So you are never having any what you can say, sharp edges. Why don't you have sharp edges? Okay, so here you are having some इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Can you tell me? When you cut it like this and when you have the radius, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Here there is a radius and here there is some dimension. हाँ कुछ लिखा था. मेरा क्या होता है ये? Fillet and second one is चैट ऑन करके रखना पड़ेगा, करना पड़ेगा चैट, नहीं तो मेरा सब गायब हो जाता है. कहाँ गया रे बाबा? चैम्पर बराबर है, फिलेट चैम्पर. कहाँ गया चैट? दिखता ही नहीं है. हाँ ये है चैट, ये मिल गया, ये आ गया चैट. फिलेट चैम्पर, चैम्पर गुड. ठीक है, जब जब मेरे को याद नहीं आएगा तब तक मैं आपको पूछूंगा, आपको मुझे बताना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. नाउ you might have studied process planning, how to develop a process plan sheet, how to select different tools, how to select lathe machine, when to go for drilling, uh, and then you have to control dimension. Whenever you have to control dimension, you will need some device. Either you will need vernier or you will need some ordinary caliper, or you will, it is dependent on this tolerance. This is dependent on this tolerance. So if I ask you, if I ask you to control dimension in mm, 1 mm, then you will select ordinary scale because it can measure up to 1 mm. If I ask you 0.5 mm, then which instrument you are going to select? So if you want to control dimension 60 with what you can say, 60 plus minus 0.5 mm. So what you are going to select? That you have to decide. If I give you 60 plus minus 0.03, if I give you 0.02, if I give you 0.01, if I give you 0.001, if I give you 0.005 plus minus, which instrument you are going to select? So do you have a knowledge of this right now to answer these questions? how you are going to control the dimensions of fillet, how you are going to control the dimensions of chamfer, how chamfer is obtained, by which method chamfer is obtained, how you are going to cut a chamfer, you are specifying some angle in that, how you are going to control that angle. Yes, anyone can answer now. किसी ने तो भी बोला था, मैंने उसको रोक दिया. हम इसको टू वे करने की कोशिश करेंगे. वी वुड लाइक टू हैव अ टू वे डिस्कशन, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली in this particular, what you can say, mode, it's quite difficult, but we will try. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट चलो अभी बताओ, how chamfer is controlled, how fillet is controlled, which method you apply, which tool you, how you do that, like this. Can you answer? ऐसा हंसी मजाक में करो, इसको कोई ऐसा टेंशन मत लो. दिस सब्जेक्ट आर टू एंजॉय, दिस सब्जेक्ट्स आर टू हैव स्किल्स इन योरसेल्फ. Okay, if you carry a burden of this on your head, you will never be in a position to learn those subjects. Okay, don't carry the burden of this subject. This subject is very easy, and as far as exam is concerned, it is like writing an essay on गैया, है ना. गैया को क्या रहता है, दो पूछ रहती है, नहीं सॉरी, दो आंखें रहती है, करेक्ट, नहीं, दो पूछ नहीं, दो आंखें रहती है, दो कान रहते हैं, एक पूछ रहती है, चार पैर रहते हैं, पैर चार ही रहते हैं. अब ऐसा जो सब्जेक्ट है, ऐसा आपको अगर बुक्स देखोगे तो लगेगा. if you see, I will send you the books now. Okay, there is one book available on some PDF file, Google. I will send you that book. You read it. You will have a sound sleep after reading that book. Okay, and you will enjoy that. But the context in which you should learn, you should enjoy that. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप वो बर्डन कैरी कर रहे हैं. नहीं सकते. वेदर इट इज थर्मोडायनामिक्स, वेदर इट इज strength of material, whether it is a. The first step is to read drawing. Second step is to create in mind how you are going to manufacture it. So if you are going to manufacture it, you will need measuring instruments to control it. As far as our subject is concerned, this does not include all these things which I am discussing. इसमें है वर्नियर, इसमें है माइक्रोमीटर, इसमें है कंपैरेटर, इसमें है यानी गैया है, फिर भैंस है, फिर अपना बकरी है, फिर चूहा है, फिर खरगोश है, फिर तुम्हारा उड़ने वाला कौन रहता, बर्ड है, ईगल है, एंड देन डिस्क्राइब दैट. दैट्स ऑल. मजे में है ना. So you have to describe comparator, you have to describe vernier, you have to describe gauges, you have to describe. ऐसा अपना सब्जेक्ट है, बढ़िया, एकदम इजी है ना. Okay, so you should not focus only in that context, or you should not learn in that context the way it is there in the books. You should be in a position to work like engineer, to take decisions that for which shape, for which tolerance, for which dimension, which manufacturing method is suitable, why it is needed. If you do not apply that manufacturing method, what will happen? If you go for forging for this item, what will happen? If you go for casting for this item, what will happen? If you want to go for turning, what will happen? If the tolerances are in 0.5 mm, can you go for turning? If the tolerances are for, what you can say, 0.005 mm, will you go for turning? Will you go for casting? Why can't you go for casting? Why you cannot go for turning? What will happen if you go for turning? If the material is too hard, टर्निंग कितने हार्डनेस तक कर सकते हो? टर्निंग कितने हार्डनेस तक कर सकते हो? एनीवन प्लीज आंसर। आपको एमपी किसने पढ़ाया? एचएसएस टूल का हार्डनेस कितना रहता है? आप मूवी देखते हो कि नहीं? हिंदी मूवी देखो, फिर नहीं देखते होंगे तो उसमें एक रहता है लोहा लोहे को काटता है, शोले का डायलॉग है ना? यू रिमेम्बर डायलॉग फ्रॉम शोले? लोहा लोहे को काटता है, किसने बोला? डोंट वरी, आई विल नॉट आस्क दिस थिंग इन एग्जाम, आई विल आस्क ओनली मेट्रोलॉजी।
वो पुलिस वाले ने बोला था सर।
वो कौन था? ठाकुर। वो बोलता
नहीं,
था
हाँ सर, ठाकुर पहले पुलिस वाला था सर, तो उसने
हाँ
बोला
तो
था।
हाँ, उसने वो जो उसका नौकर रहता है ना, उसको बोला था, नहीं दूसरे पुलिस वाले को बोला था, ठाकुर ने।
हाँ सर, इसलिए उन्होंने सर जय और वीरू को बुलाया था।
ओके, सो इन आवर केस HSS कट योर माइल्ड स्टील, HSS कट अलॉय स्टील, तो लोहा लोहे को काटता है। अगर लोहा लोहे को नहीं काट पाया तो हम किससे काटेंगे? Which method you are going to apply? What is the maximum hardness that your mild steel will have? What is the maximum hardness that your HSS is having? ये भाग गया रोहित नायर, सब भाग गया तू। इनको हिंदी पिक्चर पसंद नहीं आते लगता। यस बोलो। What is the maximum hardness that you can cut on turning machine? ये भी भाग गया। बल्ले रुको, था पता नहीं। बोलो बोलो। अब वो गूगल पे मत ढूंढो, आपको एमपी जिसने पढ़ाऊंगा उसके पे पढ़ाऊंगा आपको। Having the value of what you can say, कितना है 50 HRC, 8 HRC, 60 HRC। आपका बियरिंग कितने HRC का होता है? बियरिंग जिसके ऊपर पूरा गाड़ी का लोड रहता है। इफ यू टेक योर व्हीकल कार, इफ यू टेक योर ट्रक, वो सारा लोड टन्स में का कहाँ जाता है? बियरिंग पे जाता है। डू यू एग्री? एक तरफ रहता है चक्का, दूसरे तरफ रहता है शाफ्ट, बीच में रहता है बियरिंग। वो पूरा आपका लोड कितना सा बियरिंग रहता है, कितना छोटा रहता है, क्या भयंकर ताकत उठाता है। Okay, I am speaking in Hindi. I'm sorry to those who are coming from South. Okay, so you can stop me if you cannot understand, and you can take me on track. Okay, this is just for the sake of humor, not to. Okay. So what I want to say, the complete load of that truck or tractor goes on a small bearing. If you see that bearing, it is too small compared to the complete load. When you sit on your two-wheeler and when you open that bearing, you can see it is of this size, मेरे हाथ का, of size of my palm at the most. What is the material that you are having? SE 52100 that you might have studied in your machine design. Okay, and it takes the load. The bearing खेल है पूरा, so your shaft takes the load, your bearing takes the load. You will never see that bearing has been crashed, है ना? गाड़ी चला गया, टूट गया bearing, लोग रास्ते पे आ गए, मर गए, that you will never see. हाँ, bearing can create some sound, or आपको you will feel that yes it is worn out, and then you will replace it. You will not find that it has gone crack. Why? Because of the strength, because of the hardness, because of the load carrying capacity, because of the material contents. So sound knowledge of manufacturing, sound knowledge of machine drawing, sound knowledge of understanding of all these things will make you perfect engineer. So metrology, as far as my job is concerned, my job is to decide which instrument should I select. Then what is the principle of working of that instrument? How that measuring instrument need to be adjusted, how it should be applied, what are its parts. जैसे मैंने बोला, so there is a cow, it has two tail नहीं, one tail, two nostrils, one nose. गैया, I am talking about cow. Four legs, दो कान, 2 ears, दो आंखें, 2 eyes. What are these? This is the description of the metrological instruments that we would be having. So that is the scope of my subject. Okay. But if I teach you in that context, yes, this is a vernier, this is a fixed jaw, this is a movable jaw, this is a vernier scale, this is a main scale, this is a depth blade, you will get bored. Definitely. So you will definitely get bored, and we would be losing our context. So we would be learning it as an operator. But of course, we have to be in a role of operator. You should know what are the different parts of vernier. For measuring fillet, which part of vernier can be used. For measuring internal diameter, which part of vernier should be used. So it is essential. You should know initially cow. Then you can think for what purpose you can apply cow. Apply cow for taking a load for bullock cart. You need bull. आपको काऊ काम में नहीं आती वहां पे, आपको वहां पे बैल ही चाहिए, है ना? तो इफ यू आर बुल यू कैन पुल दैट, मीन्स दैट तुम नहीं, वो वाला जो खींचता है. ओके, यू नीड टू बी अ बुल इफ यू वांट टू बी ऑन बुलक कार्ट. यू कांट बी काऊ, काऊ का काम नहीं है वो. सो सेम वर्नियर कहाँ पे यूज करना, क्यों यूज करना? सो ऑफकोर्स, सो उसको क्या रहते हैं, एक पूंछ रहती है, एक टेल रहती है, 4 पैर रहते हैं, ये सब तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अब मेरे को कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. बट आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू take you in that direction. That we would be discussing, of course, what are the problems if we could not use it properly, what error we will have, all those things. But I would like to give you a perspective of this subject today. So the main perspective is of this subject, or the syllabus of this subject is nothing but how you are going to work in a quality control department. If you go in quality control department, how you are going to work there, what responsibilities that you are going to shoulder in quality control department, what are the different branches of quality control department, how metrology is at the core of all the activity of quality control department, and how quality is linked with metrology. Okay, so quality is consistency. If you are consistent in, ये आ गया, मैं भाग गया था लगता है, यहाँ पर बाद में आएगा. Quality, okay, quality means consistency. If you can produce something at the same dimension, it is quality. If you can consistently do something, you will have quality in that area. Okay, if you read a lot of things consistently in one subject, you would be having, what you can say, good sound knowledge or the quality knowledge in that area. So quality is a general term, how to define it and how to experience it, है ना? हम मारुति में बैठे और हम लोग अगर मर्सिडीज में बैठे, whatever the difference that you can feel is a quality, is basically it is a quality. So it is what is to be experienced. But of course, we need to evaluate it. If you need to evaluate it, then and then you can improve it. If you cannot evaluate, you cannot improve. ये मैंने कहा नहीं, ये केल्विन ने कहा. कौन था केल्विन? आपको थर्मोडायनामिक्स में पढ़ाया होगा. थर्मोडायनामिक्स में पढ़ाया ना केल्विन. केल्विन ने बोला कि जो चीज आप आप मेजर नहीं कर सकते, उसको आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आप उसको इम्प्रूव नहीं कर सकते, आप उसको खराब नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आपके पास कुछ नॉलेज ही नहीं है. So that will be taught to you in measurement. So measurement would be doing all these temperature measurement, pressure measurement. ये सब वो ठाकरे सर और जावड़े सर आपको पढ़ाएंगे. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सिस्टम, सेकंड ऑर्डर सिस्टम, लोड कैसे मेजर करने का, पावर कैसे मेजर करने का, टॉर्क कैसे मेजर करने का, ये सारी चीजें आप मेजरमेंट में पढ़ोगे. हम लोग सिर्फ डायमेंशंस पढ़ेंगे. How many instruments are there? How you are going to control dimensions? Maybe angular, maybe linear, maybe surface roughness. So this is our syllabus. So what is our syllabus? Our syllabus is the activities which are to be carried out by quality control engineer. So if you join any industry, you have to have knowledge of metrology. Whether you work in maintenance, you should know metrology. Whether you work in purchasing, you should know metrology. If you work in production, while setting machine, you should know metrology. Or process planning, you should know metrology, because process planning is not possible without controlling damage. कितना कंट्रोल रहेगा, क्या क्या मिलेगा, what you are going to achieve after turning, what you are going to achieve after grinding, कौन बताएगा? So metrology बताएगा. मेट्रोलॉजी में आपको ये सब चीजें, आपने आईटी ग्रेड्स पढ़े होंगे, दैट यू माइट बी टॉट टू यू बाय डुम्पाला सर, बाय मिस्ताने सर. इन सो आईटी ग्रेड क्या है? दैट इज द फेट which decides the selection of machine. Okay, so drawing, machine drawing is the starting point and quality is the ending point. In between is the process. So मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन करने के बाद या क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन करने के बाद जो जो काम करना है, दैट इज अवर सिलेबस. दैट्स ऑल. आई विल सेंड यू पीडीएफ, उसमें सब लिखा है. कंपैरेटर, लीनियर मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, एंगुलर मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, देन surface roughness testing, then thread measurement devices, then gear measurement devices, then optical devices, then machine tool metrology, then this is all your syllabus. Quality engineering, that is the application of statistics. How you define consistency? Consistency कैसे define होती है? Mean. आपने बहुत सारे डायमेंशन बनाए, आपको बनाना था 25 mm, 25.5 बन गया, 25.2 बन गया, 25.1 बन गया, 24.9 बन गया, 24.8 बन गया. So you are having different dimensions. So you are going to convert it into some sort of, what you can say, performance indicator. So you are having mean, you are having deviation or variance. So one talks about central tendency of that machining process, one talks about the maximum spread that you can have with that machining process. That is what is the quality. So either you are deviating from your expected dimension or you are manufacturing toward your expected dimension. But due to, what you can say, assignable causes and due to random causes, random means temperature variation, random means vibrations, random means, so these are not consistent. असाइनेबल कॉजेस, ओके, आपका मशीन के अंदर टूल के नीचे या कुछ वहां पे चिप आ गई तो वो गलत भी देगा डायमेंशन हर वक्त. तो जब तक आप चिप नहीं निकालोगे, या आपने कुछ गलत सेटिंग किया, जब तक आपको सीधा नहीं करते, सही नहीं करते, आपको गलत डायमेंशन. बट ये जो स्प्रेड है, आपने सब कुछ परफेक्ट किया तो भी आपको आइडेंटिकल कंपोनेंट नहीं मिलेंगे. यू कैन नॉट हैव आइडेंटिकल कंपोनेंट्स एट ऑल. And that's why you know that if we want to have interchangeable manufacturing, that is at the core of our subject, then you have to have what you are having, you are going to have. You have to have tolerances for interchangeable manufacturing. So allowable deviation is permitted, and with that allowable permission, if you want to have assembly of hole and shaft, still your functional requirement is fulfilled. If it is a clearance plate, you will get clearance plate. If it is a interference plate, you will get interference plate. So that will not get hampered, and you can take any bearing, any shaft, and you can join them, and you can do your job. So that is possible. Otherwise, earlier we had a single craftsmanship. So in that case, you can manufacture both shaft and bearing, and then you will manage the dimensions. ये बड़ा हो गया तो ये कट कर दोगे, ये कट कर दिया तो वो छोटा कर दोगे, like that. So you can manage dimensions of hole and shaft, and then you can have a simply required functional fit. So it is not the case now. Some part is manufactured in some part of the world, other is manufactured at other part of the world, and then you assemble it at third part of the world, and then you can have perfect functional requirement fulfilled by that assembly. How that is possible? Because of this magic of metrology and quality. Because of this limits, fits, and tolerances, standardization, ISO has made it. So that already you have seen. So some knowledge of GD&T is expected that you should have from machine drawing. And what is our syllabus? This is introduction, syllabus, books I would be sending you. Evaluation की mid sem 25 मार्क, end sem 35 मार्क, बीच में का टीचर के मार्क, 30 मार्क वाइवा के, 30 मार्क 2 before mid sem MCQ, after mid sem MCQ, or some sort of assignment or something. So that you know. That is 25 plus 35 plus 40. That's all. Course overview ले लिया मैंने. Why metrology? Who practices? Scope of our discussion. Scope बता दिया मैंने. कौन करता है? क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इंजीनियर करता है. किस डिपार्टमेंट में करता है? सभी डिपार्टमेंट में करता है. आपको मटेरियल खरीद के लाना है तो चेक करना पड़ेगा ड्राइंग के हिसाब से खरीदा है नहीं. तो जहां से परचेस होगा स्टोर्स में, वहां पे एक आदमी को बैठाना पड़ेगा कि चेक करे. मेंटेनेंस में जाओगे तो आपको मेंटेनेंस में डायमेंशंस चेक करने पड़ेंगे, है ना. उसको कितना वेल्ड करना है, कितना घिसना है, फिर उसके ऊपर कौन सा पार्ट चढ़ाना है, कितना वॉर्न आउट हो गया है, ये सारे मैनिपुलेशन करने के लिए फिर से मेजर करना पड़ेगा, है ना. मेट्रोलॉजी क्यों? डायमेंशन कंट्रोल करने के लिए. नहीं तो कैसे करोगे आप? नहीं करोगे. So this is what we can have. So this is last year's PPTs that I would be using. So how to conduct practicals? Okay, so practical video can be sent to you from lab. YouTube videos will be done. But what I used to tell students in अभी 2-3 मिनट में खत्म करेंगे. फर्स्ट ईयर की इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग जैसे आप खुद को आपको करना पड़ता है, आपको हाथ से ड्रॉ करना पड़ता है. So no one can teach you engineering drawing. Do you agree? No one can teach you engineering drawing. You have to start doing it. Like that, metrology, unless and until you handle equipments on your own, you cannot have the feel. अब मैंने वर्नियर लिया, उसको मुझे गिनना है. देखो अभी देखो मेरे साथ पेन आ गया. मैंने वर्नियर लिया, देखो ये शाफ्ट गिनना है. सपोज ये सर्कल नहीं है, बट सपोज ये सर्कल है. तो ये सर्कल में ये डायमीटर है. सपोज ये डायमीटर है. दिस इज व्हाट, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डायमीटर. ओके. यहाँ पे आपको कॉर्ड भी रहेगी. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कॉर्ड. मराठी में इसको क्या बोलते हैं? व्यास. इसको डायमीटर. और मराठी में इसको बोलते हैं त्रिज्या. कंटिन्यू. Chord, you know this dimension. Maximum dimension is a single dimension. If you apply here vernier, and by mistake, if you put it here like this, You might have seen vernier sometime in your life, in your 10th class or in your 12th class or in your physics practical. Somewhere you might have seen this in your life. This is movable jaw. So if by mistake, if you apply it here, it will measure chord. If you put it here, it will measure diameter. अब ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, ये आपको हाथ से करनी पड़ेगी. मैं यहाँ पे समझा दूंगा, लेकिन ये ऐसे नहीं होता, ये ऐसे नहीं होता. So this is like swimming. It is like swimming and driving, which you cannot learn from books. This you need to experience in your life. अब मैं किताबें पढ़ूंगा कि ऐसे हाथ मारनी चाहिए तो फ्री स्टाइल होता है, ऐसा ऐसा करूंगा तो बटरफ्लाई होता है, ऐसा ऐसा स्विमिंग आएगा क्या मेरे को? I cannot swim using some theoretical inputs. But hope that this vaccine will improve situation and we can complete practicals at least in the second half of. Hope for the best that this wave that is now coming, pandemic situation, it will go away till February. And if you join, then hope that you can. These are very simple practicals. Only small things are there that you need to learn on your own, because this is a huge syllabus, huge syllabus. So important things we should be in a position to get accustomed to, and how we learn it. अब जैसे आप लोग सिर्फ कास्टिंग पढ़ते होंगे कि कास्टिंग ऐसा रहता है, मोल्ड ऐसी बनाने की, रनर रहता है, स्क्रू रहता है, इसमें लोहा डालने का, ऐसा ठीक है. बट अब वो बुक्स में वैसा लिखा रहता है, बट यू शुड नॉट लर्न लाइक दैट. You should have larger perspective while learning that. It's okay. For the specific topic, it's okay. But as a bird's eye view, what you are supposed to do, that is also important. So this is the practical. I will send you this. This is your syllabus content. So this all measurement, metrology, comparator, angular measurement, roundness, squareness. So that I will send you interferometry, fringes, pattern, etc. Then this is what surface finish, then statistical quality control. So this is your syllabus. I will send you this. Okay. So, and these are the books. I see Gupta, Jain, Mahajan. So out of this, I will send you one book was sent to me by some student, a PDF file. He got it from somewhere in the Google. I will send you that book. And you restrict your reading as far as metrology is concerned to that and our PPT. So this is what the portion, that this portion will be taken care by Nitin sir. So probably he will take it in this week. Every week he would be engaging one lecture, and rest of the things here, metrology part, that will be I would be dealing with this portion completely, metrology. So I will ask him if he is not comfortable in this first half, then he will take over from what you can say after mid-sem. So I will try to cover this portion, this and this till mid-sem, and then these geometrical features and this part that he would be engaging. So because he is having right now 3 subjects. I'm having 2 courses, he is having 3 courses. So if he is comfortable with 2 courses right now, and as far as our 3 slots of practicals are concerned, we will convert it into a single slot, and in that slot I would be giving complete demonstrations of our laboratory, all instruments, etc. Some may be live, some may be already I have recorded last year. तो अगर वो अच्छे नहीं होंगे तो हम लोग फिर से उसको आपको, and hope that in after February if you can join, that will be the best. Let's hope for the good. बट चैम्फर कैसे बनाना, फिलेट कैसे बनाना, कैसे कंट्रोल करना, कौन सी मशीनिंग मेथड यूज करना, क्या मटेरियल का हार्डनेस रहेगा, HSST का हार्डनेस क्या है? आई वुड लाइक टू इन्वोक यू विद दिस क्वेश्चन एंड यू आर हैविंग गूगल बाबा, सबका सोल्यूशन, मेरा भी सोल्यूशन, आपका भी सोल्यूशन, सारे दुनिया का सोल्यूशन आपको वो है, आपके पास टूल है, उसका सही इस्तेमाल करो, यूट्यूब भी देखो बट कुछ काम का भी पढ़ो. ओके, so anyway, so you can enjoy this subject. Okay, and this is about all details, that is what is a part of quality assurance. ये हम लोग, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आपको सुनाई दे रहा है या नहीं? हाँ ना, इस पे जवाब दो. हो गया 8:55 हो गया. सुनाई दे रहा है क्या? ये सुन रहे हो? हाँ, यस यस, गुड गुड गुड. बीच बीच में बोलते जाओ, जैसे क्लास में बोलते हैं ना, ऐसा बोलते जाओ. मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पूछते जाओ कुछ तो भी. जैसे लगता है कि हम लोग बच्चों से बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे बिलोड स्टूडेंट्स. अब बच्चे नहीं है तो प्यार किससे करेंगे और डांटेंगे किसको, ऐसा हो गया. तो एनीवे, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. एंड क्या लिखा था? अराउंड 2000. अच्छा, BHN ब्रिनल हार्डनेस में बताया. Okay, anyway, so wish you a very happy new year and hope we will enjoy this subject, okay, in this semester, and don't carry a burden of this subject. I would like to uh, share best of my knowledge with you, okay, whatever is I am having small knowledge. And what is more important is the perspective with which you see toward engineering, see toward manufacturing, see toward machine drawing, see toward metrology. That is rather more important. So I stop this lecture here and wish you all a very happy new year, and hope that we will meet offline. Okay. Okay, I stop this meeting now. Stop sharing and I stop this meeting. And we will meet in our next lecture tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, so it all सब जाग गए होंगे कल. So I think strength will increase to 117, 117. Thank you to all for giving me happy new year, and same to you. Let us hope that it would not be having this pandemic, in this endemic, whatever it will end now. अब हम लोग को भी कोई डांटने को चाहिए, उससे से बात करने के लिए चाहिए. हम लोग भी अभी पागल हो रहे हैं कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ बैठ के. ओके, थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
Thank you, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू.